pink cunt shit.
Dude, finally, this had been one of the worst summers ever for like thunderstorms and stuff.
Yeah, we were really good this year. It's so pretty. Yeah, it only lasts like 10 minutes.
Dude, so this literally has been like the hottest stretch since '95.
Oh, yeah, that was nice as fuck.
Whoa.
Damn. Yeah, that was a nice shot. Back, yeah, they're starting to hit back here now. Oh, yeah, I'll see you. Just over that building.
Oh, dude, wait. Once I finish recording, I'll show you the gust front. Oh my god, dude! If it was daytime.
The rain, we're getting sprinkles. It must have been just miles away.
Yeah.
It was just sprinkles. It was so windy.
Really? Yeah.
It's sick.
Dude, and we were getting pelted with dust and sand. Yep. Dude, Danbury's been getting slammed.
I saw that the other night.
That was in Sumington. And dude, I got some awesome video. Dude, I got a sick power flash on video. Like the horizon. I know, I gotta get it up when we get back to school next week. Because my aunt doesn't have internet, which kind of sucks. So it's hard to upload stuff. But when I go back next Thursday, I'll get it all uploaded. Like, I finally uploaded the thunderstorm video from February.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Dude, that was crazy.
That was so much fun. Yeah, in the middle of February. Damn.
Shit, dude. Are you guys meteorology or just always? Yeah. I like it. It's cool shit. I've never really had some. It's like, this is pretty sick. It's cool because I always wanted to go fucking chase some serious shit. Paul, you're the first person I've met in my life. Yeah, if not more than me, just as much as everyone else thinks I'm like annoying when I keep talking about the weather. Oh no, me neither. I'll go serious shit. I'll be like talking about it, like, alright, like we get it, it's gonna rain.
Yeah.
It's like, whatever, screw you guys.
I know.
There was this one time a while, years back, we were in West Hartford. Remember, Paulie, we were going to see one of your teachers right by Sedgwick.
Oh yeah.
And it was nice and shit out. It was hot. Totally good. Like, it was so nice out. Literally like 10 minutes later, dude starts hailing. It's like, what the fuck? I thought it was hailing on the way for a second. But
Dude, oh yeah, I was telling. So there was like golf ball hail earlier, in I think New Hampshire. No, in New Hampshire.
Oh,
dude, which is sick because dude, the freezing heights are 16,000 feet. So dude, if they were like lower, there probably would have been that would have been like softball hail at least.
Whoa!
Whoa,
Shit, look
shit,
right there.
no.
Damn, that was a good shot right there. That would have been a good
That's
shot.
the place to get right now.
I know.
Yeah, it's the back of us.
Yeah, because it's going south, which is that way.
That was a fucking sick
Dude, Rob is back at the. He's at the room today. He moved in.
Really?
Yeah.
How'd he get?
Football?
Oh.
The funny as hell, dude. He just texted me saying the power's out on the entire West Side campus. Literally just said that to me.
Yo, I'm not surprised, dude. They got slammed.
Today?
Yeah, just now, like, because I was debating on going southwest, so not intercepting Danbury, but somewhere in that, like, around Waterbury, but then I decided to come up here because the storms up here looked really good, and they had a ton of wind in them. Like, Granby got nailed. There's probably a lot of wind damage in Granby.
Granby is literally right on the other side of the airport. Right there.
They always get slammed. One, I hope we get good storms tomorrow. Two, I hope it happens after 5 and I get out of work. 3, I hope it happens before it's dark so it's actually super fun.
Oh, the lightning.
Oh yeah. I just want
Get one
to
and take one. Have it last through the sunset. It'll be daylight for part of it.
Yeah.
Lightning for half the other.
Yeah.
It's the best. Dude, I just missed it. I had to like stop the Snapchat video.
Your autofocus sucks.
Really?
Yeah. You don't think we might be too far north?
Oh yeah. Yeah, we are.
Might have gotten, I don't know. Very end of it.